guys, today I am here at HAW Villa, as you can see behind me.
Come via Circle Line and the park's main gate is very close to the Hopper Villa MRT station.
HAW Villa is a theme park located along Pasir Panjang Road in Singapore. HAW Villa is like no other place in the world, with over 1000 statues and 150 giant dioramas. It's the one of the oldest existing cultures in the world. HAW Villa, formerly known as the Tiger Balm Garden, it's an Asian culture park and the last of its kind in the world. Also, this park is easily accessible via public transport and car. This park, built in 1937, designed to be a fun place to teach children about Chinese culture, history and values. This place will leave you feeling slightly terrified about what you have just seen, but it's certainly worth the trip. If you are a person who loves history and culture, please consider visiting this place. I'm sure you are gonna love this place. In this HAW Villa Park, the best known attraction is 10 Courts of Hell, where you get to know about Chinese mythology and Buddhism. Here you get to see the punishment of every crime. Seriously guys, I went on weekday. I felt a bit scary because I was alone at that time in the tunnel. Nobody was there. learning new things. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like this video. Comment down below which part you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos.